Hi humans, let's make some sweet potato soup. I love this dish for dinner. So here we have some garlic. I love putting garlic in my soup. This is a sweet potato, my pimentos. This is some ginger. I love putting ginger, it gives it that spiciness. This is my favorite seasoning. Let's roast the garlic. So to roast the garlic, I cut off that hard part on top that holds the cloves together. You're leaving the garlic in the skin, and then you put it in a piece of foil and you just oil it. The better oil to use is olive oil. I didn't have that, so I used regular soybean oil. You close that up and you put that in about 15 minutes, I think I put it in. And now let's prepare the ingredients for the soup. So I'm just washing the sweet potatoes and the pimentos and the ginger. The sweet potatoes were really dirty. As you can see, the water is red brown. So I just take my fingers and kind of like scrub in the crevices of the sweet potato. Now guys, the sweet potato was in my fridge for a really long while and I wanted to just use it up. He was on his last. Like, I probably had about 6 of these around the size, and I had to literally do surgery to get enough to make the soup because a lot of it was spoiled, as you say. And here I am cleaning the ginger. I hate cleaning ginger, but I love her taste, so I sacrifice going around all those crevices. I know you can wet it and just like pass your hand and the skin will come off easily, but homegirl was tired and I did not feel like doing that. And now I'm cutting up the pimentos. As you can see, I love putting pimentos in everything that I make. Now let's prepare the ingredients for the soup. So I had some seasoning that was already grinded up with some garlic, onion, and chives. So I threw that in. I threw in my seasoning, some coconut milk because I love adding that to my soup. And here's my roasted garlic. As you can see, the cloves just fall out of the skin because it's all tender and juicy. The oil and the heat gives it kind of like a very soft consistency. It was pretty hot, and I'm lighting the stove now and we're gonna make the soup. So here it is boiling in my pot. All of the ingredients, you can see the garlic and stuff is there, and my main goal here was just to ensure that the sweet potatoes got soft, but everything else kind of got soft quickly. And then I'm using a blender to blend the soup together in the pot. The soup was delicious. I absolutely loved it. I hope you enjoy. Subscribe, comment down below. Have a great day, guys. Bye.